understanding our bodies and health. There are some special body parts. These body parts are called sense organs. These organs tell us about the world around us. These organs helps us in different ways. Sense organs. Eyes. Eyes are the organ of sight. They help to see things. The eyes are in the sockets in the skull. They are spherical in shape. Each eye has two flaps called eyelids. The eyes are like two tiny cameras inside the head. They send a steady stream of pictures back to the brain. There are special cells in the eye which help to see colors. Nose. Nose is the body's primarily organ of smell, and also part of the body's respiratory system. We smell with our nose. Our nose cleans the air we take in. Ears. Ear is the organ of hearing. We can hear different sounds. We can hear different sounds like music, sound of a bell and sound of other people. Tongue. Tongue is used to taste things. Tongue is a fleshy, movable muscular process of the floor of the mouths of most vertebrates that bears sensory end organs and small glands and functions, especially in taking and swallowing food, and in humans as a speech organ. The taste buds on different parts of the tongue tell if the food is sour, sweet, bitter or salty. Our tongue can sense how hot or cold the food is. Skin. We touch with our skin. We can feel hot, cold, rough, and soft things. Importance of food. Eat well. Food is very important for us. Food keeps us healthy. It gives us energy to work and play. We must eat a variety of foods. Drink well. Milk and water are the best drinks. Water keeps us fresh. Milk makes our teeth and bones strong. We should drink milk, fresh juices and plenty of water daily. Be active. Our body needs exercise. It makes us active. We need to play every day. Cricket, football, skipping rope, karate, riding bicycle and running a race can make us active. Limit screen time. Screen time is the time we spend watching TV or playing video games. If we spend more time before TV, we will have less time to play physical games